So in this video, you'll learn how to install and set up the Gboard, also known as the Google Keyboard, on your Samsung Galaxy A16. So the first step is to launch the Play Store, and then from here, you want to use the search function and you want to type in Gboard. You should see it listed in the search results right here. So select it and then ensure that it's by Google. And to install it, just tap on Install. So then just wait for the app to be installed onto your phone. And then once it's been installed, you want to tap on Open to launch it. Alternatively, you can always just go to the apps drawer or the home screen and launch the Gboard from there. So once you've launched the Gboard app, you'll need to enable it in settings. So you can choose to just go directly to the settings app, or you can just tap on enable in settings as a shortcut. So select it, and then you should see Gboard here. Just tap on the toggle and confirm that you wish to turn it on as your input method. And then you can go back, and then you need to select it as your input method. So tap on that, and then choose Gboard, and then tap on Done. So from here, you can now start using the Gboard as your default keyboard on your Galaxy A16. So you can see the Gboard is now my keyboard, and I can start typing with it. I can even choose to use the Google Assistant, all sorts of features that you normally get with your Google Keyboard. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and we'll get back to you.